Welcome, I am Paul Grist with Grist Real Estate, here today with another wonderful presentation of the Meadowlark Estate. This is just a beautiful French eclectic style architecturally designed home, over 8,000 square feet on 3 levels, has three master suites. Masters on the main level, 2 upstairs, and then a very large downstairs that could be finished out with additional suites, living area, even a full apartment. But one of the most important things about this beautiful property is where we're located. Right here in the middle of just a little over 11 acres. And we're in Frankford, which is the northern part of Greenbrier County and in the heart of the Greenbrier Valley. So thank you for joining us today. We always appreciate the likes and hearts and the shares, and that helps us find the right buyer who's going to make this home. So thanks again. Definitely give us some likes and shares and join us for this beautiful tour. So here we are with a northern view off the property, and it's just a really peaceful setting. You've got these far off mountains, and you're actually seeing right behind me, that's up to Droop Mountain that goes up into Pocahontas County. Of course, home of snowshoe, world-class skiing, snowboarding, and during the summer, mountain biking, golfing, all kinds of great things just on up the road from here. And then over this direction, it's Cold Knob and the Twin Sugars and more of the mountainous regions. But right here in the heart, you get to enjoy the views of all that. And just wanted to share some of the beautiful setting that you have here at Meadowlark. So as the winding driveway comes into the property, you circle around right into the front circular driveway. And as you can see, beautifully landscaped property has this really classic French eclectic look. And then a nice 3-car garage that's attached by a walkway, a covered walkway. And then of course, as we'll see later, property circles on around, beautiful views off the master and the living areas on the back side of the house. And one of the neat ideas, as you look towards the front of the house here, there's a nice little sort of recessed area, and some owners have thought it'd be cool to have a pool here. So lots of ideas, possibilities. Just come check out this home and see if you can make it yours. As befitting a home of this scale and nature and this quality, there's a very grand entrance. On either side we have these beautiful columns rising up above with the disc opening above us, and beautiful doors with traditional knockers. So come on in and let's go take a look inside. So here we are in the grand foyer entrance. Ceiling height here is 2 stories tall, and a chandelier befitting an entrance like this with your nice stone tile floors. So off on this side of the main entrance, of course, you have beautiful bay windows, nearly floor to ceiling with your plantation shutters. Plantation shutters, you'll find those on a lot of the windows throughout the house. They've got those wonderful wooden slats, easy up and down, very classic and refined finish. And of course here, in a formal living room or even a comfortable den, your gas fireplace goes a long ways to staying warm in the cool autumn evenings or in the middle of the winter, or even a little something to warm up in the spring. And this is a firebox, which is a very high-end, elegant type fire. So it's a little bit, it's definitely a step up from your gas logs. So let's go on over. You'll notice too, tall ceilings all throughout. You know, on the main level, we're looking at ceilings that are 10 feet, except in the main foyer entrance where that's about 2 stories. This is your formal dining room. Of course today, when formal dining rooms may not be as important, certainly could be an office space, another living area, whatever your heart's desire would be. And of course it has this beautiful chandelier right in the middle. Now for those that are entertainment minded, want to have friends and family gatherings here at the home, this home is set up perfectly for that. The architect had that in mind when it was designed, so you have a nice circular flow all the way around. And here, behind these doors are shelving for all your china. There's pull-out shelves here so that you can serve food on it when you have guests over, and of course more storage underneath. And then one of the nice features, this is a great home for art lovers. A lot of wall space, large walls. Of course, it's currently very neutral colors, so your art will fit right in. And we have an alcove that is perfect to put in some sort of statue or bust or another artwork display. So we're going to move from our main dining room over into the kitchen. So as you can see, more pantry space here, conveniently located, and as we come into our kitchen. So the granite countertops all around. This is a classic Aga stove. It's gas. It is a European design, so it's a little bit different than the kind of stoves that you're used to, because when you turn it on, it stays on all the time. But for those that know how to cook with it or want to learn, it's a really fascinating adventure, and it definitely has a lot of fans for this particular type of stove. So from here, we move on out into the sitting area of the kitchen and the breakfast nook. Again, you can see they definitely did not go short on the windows. Part of the beauty of this home is that you can bring the indoors or the outdoors indoor with all the windows around and the views that you have to enjoy here in this very peaceful setting. So from here, we will flow over into the sunroom. So this is a great 3-season room. Add in some heat, could certainly be a 4 seasons. Great for growing plants or just a place to enjoy a nice sunny afternoon. And again, as you can see, very tall ceilings here as well. So from here, as you can see, the kitchen flows into the seating area, into the main living area, at the rear of the home. So again, we have a gas fireplace here. We have very tall ceilings, 2 stories. You've got your entertainment area. And of course, the double doors opening back onto the covered back porch. So let me show you that while we're here. It's a nice covered area. Take in the views whether it's raining or sun. And this gives you a nice area, or a nice view shed of the private gardens in the back and the fields beyond. So the master suite is located just off the main living area. Right before you go in, there is the guest bathroom here for all your daily use. Come on in. As befitting a master, lots of views. You actually have access to 2 covered porches from here. You have access to the main covered porch and then your own private porch right off of the master. So your views here are to the north and northeast. Love it. Tall ceilings, very spacious. And then a very spacious master bathroom. So this unique design has the shower in the middle and then a flow around with your vanities and of course your jetted tub here. And of course some beautiful views looking out of the countryside. A lot of thought put into this, including a heated towel rack, which is always a favorite for those early mornings. You have your granite counters here with your vanity sink. We have another sitting area. And then there are two very large walk-in closets. Here's the first closet. You can see built-ins, plenty of racks, a lot of storage. Makes it easy to get to the clothes that you want, but still be able to see the other clothes that you have. As we flow over, we have our second closet here. And then we have our shower and commode on the inside of this, right in the center. So from here, we're going to go out and take a look upstairs. So here we are on the upper landing area on the second story. And as you can see, beautiful railings. These were custom designed, and these are brass finishings that you see on the top. And this is just a really intricate design. It was well thought out. You have 4 individual columns on each newel post, and it just gives it a solid but open feel. So this is very inviting, a very classy look up here. So we have 2 full suites on this level and an office area. So here, the largest of the suites, as you can see, definitely not short on space here. And then right around the corner, there's the bathroom and then a walk-in closet. And as we pan back over, you will see that there's, of course, a nice large piece of sandstone. Previous owners had a piece of art for that. So ready for your use, should you desire. So as we go back out here, you can actually take a peek over at the grand entrance into the foyer area here. And then there's a nice landing area over the main entrance that's perfect for sculpture or another piece of art. So this is the second guest suite. Again, very spacious, has views to the front of the house, wraps around with an entrance to the bathroom and another large walk-in closet. So as we swing over, we've got another storage closet. This bathroom has 2 entrances, one for the bedroom and one to the hallway. And then we have an office area here. And as you can see, you've got these triangular shaped windows that give you the views out to the countryside around. And lest we forget while we're up here, of course, this is part of the very nice open concept with this living area. This opens up to the main living area on the main level with your fireplace and entertainment in areas. So it gives it a grand open feeling. So from here, let's go on down and we'll check out the lower living area. So this home would not be complete without its lower living area. As you can see, very spacious. It runs almost the full footprint of the home. Here you have 12-foot ceilings, and then it steps up and you have 9 and 10-foot ceilings on the second tier. In this area, you have lots of storage, built-in cabinets, and a full bathroom on the lower level as well. And the advantage of having the full bathroom on this lower area is that you could easily convert this over to additional living space, another bedroom, full suite, could even be a full apartment. Again, as you can see, a lot of wall space in this home, perfect for those who are looking to display their art. Or you could even paint murals, as has previously been done here. So around the corner, we have our utility room. Gives you access to all the nuts and bolts of the home, everything that goes on there. It's got a lot of good space to it. On the other side of this wall, there's a workshop area, and then a walkway with another door to the outside. And speaking of the outside, here, there's a nice double set of doors. It's a walkout to the ground level, which we're going to take a look at now. So easy to come right out, enjoy the outdoor air, especially on a beautiful sunny day like today. This is the lower garden area, lots of flowers and blooms, get the colors throughout the year, and surrounded by your fields and pasture here. So that's certainly one of the opportunities here with the fields. If you wanted to have horses or other livestock, just have to add some fencing and water and you'll be good to go. So this is just a nice peaceful place to spend your time at the rear of the home. And of course, it seems like anywhere you go here, you get a glimpse of a view somehow. So in all of our video tours, we always really just scratch the surface. It can never replace being here in person, having the experience, and then imagining what kind of lifestyle that this will afford you. Because it's French eclectic style, architecturally designed, lots of space, high quality all the way throughout. Lots of recent updates, new roof, work through that's been done. But there's plenty of opportunity for you to come and customize it and make it your own home. Here in the northern Greenbrier County, heart of the Greenbrier Valley, Spring Creek Station Road at Meadowlark. So thanks for joining us. I'm Paul with Grist Real Estate. Behind the camera, most importantly, is...
It's Hope Cunningham with Grist Real Estate. I'm the buyer's agent. If you like what you see, give me a call.
So here at Grist Real Estate, we work as a team. Helps us provide you better service that you need and that you deserve. So we want to give you the full experience. Give us a call, send us a message if we can help you out and make this your home. And of course, for everybody watching, tuning in, thank you so much. It means the world to us. Appreciate all your likes and shares, and that helps us get the word out to help find this home a new owner. So thanks, and be great, and look forward to seeing you at Meadowlark.